chains for the tire for winter traction. 9mm alloy steel, 4000 Newton, and the size of this wheel is 225, 55, 70. So that is mentioned here, 225, 55, 70. It looks like this, so you should put it behind it. It has a circular part that can be closed there at the ends. Put the chain on top of the rubber. You have to connect the two sides of those gray chain. It has a yellow chain also and a red hook. And connect it to the other side and it's ready. Of course they use just a tire, not an entire car. The tire can be lifted up easily, but you cannot lift up this one easily. It has these two connectors, push them up a little bit. And it looks like this. You have two pieces, these ends can be connected. So you have to use them on the traction wheel. This car is a Renault Espace and only the front wheel is pulling. So no traction there, you don't put chains there. So you have to put these two onto this wheel and onto the other wheel. It has a manual, it has spare chains and I think that's a glove, nylon glove. There's the manual, it's in English also. It's talking about the colors, but of course the image is black and white. The same thing in multiple languages. So it looks like this, it's unfolded. It has this wire, the blue one. It has the gray chain in the middle. It has a yellow chain on the top. And it has this red part also. The yellow is circular and this one is square. It has a hook here, a red one, and another one here in the center, plus a rubber. So this is one of the hooks. That's the second one. It has a cut in it. Okay, and this is rubber. Plus another one here. Here are the two chains and they are identical. So the left and right is the same. Okay, so let's try the first one. So insert this color, the blue and yellow wire behind the wheel, from there, let's say there, and keep the chains on the lower side. So the wire up and the chains down. So push in one end and grab the other one. And the chain is down, the wire is up. The same thing here. So it should look like this. Now raise the two and unite them up here. It's a dirty job, the tires are dirty, your hands will be dirty, your clothes will be dirty, so just keep in mind. Now join these two together. So that's the closing mechanism. You just insert it from the top and move it to the side. To remove it, move it to the left and raise it up. Okay, now push this one a little bit inside so it will be behind the tire and pull the chain towards you. So this has to go in behind and the chains to the front. Now the first thing that you notice is that you already have a hook and this one. So let's join those. Okay, now it's already tangled a little bit. Now you have another hook, a long one, and this one. So put this one inside that hook, like so. Pull it through this one and pull it towards that side as much as you can. Okay, so I pulled a little bit more and it comes from here, goes there through the circular one and through that rubber goes there to the yellow. Now on the other side, let's introduce it. Can I do it with one hand? I'll put the chains towards the outside. This one has to go to the left side. That hook can be problematic. It can enter into the ground or grab something else, as is visible here. So that's the first one. So the red comes from here, goes through this one, goes through that one, and it goes there. It's held by the first one, it's held by the second one, third one and fourth. Make sure it's pushed down. Now let's try to go a few meters with it. Don't go on asphalt because asphalt will ruin the chains, but this is a softer ground. Now let's try to remove it. Of course now it's sitting on it, but we will remove it and just drive forward a little bit. That's one side, one part. It's full of earth. Find where it's joined. I'm getting dirty. It's joined here. Make sure it's down and it's not getting caught in anything. Let's see, can we remove it? No, we cannot remove it. Now where it is joined. I cannot pull it out. It's better idea to go backward because the rear wheels can go past those chains and voila, I can collect them. To put them back you need to twist it like so. Of course get off the dirt or ice or water, snow, whatever you have on them so they won't rust. In this case it's full of dirt and that's it.